across. Let's do middle C in the right hand. Nice. Okay. And then play. What's the next one?
G.
G. E. Oi, 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 oi. Look, they are both spaces. E. Leave some room between them. F. Good. Princess. G. And her best friend. Who is that? Who's Princess's best friend? Abigail. Beautiful. Okay. So you wanted to start with Ukrainian folk song?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'll record.
And you want to record it. Let's work on it first. I need you to prepare. Stop. Look, you're playing with the left hand, but your right hand does all these movements. Right hand just stays down. The left hand is playing. Rule, especially when you play together with someone, is to play steadily. Otherwise you will not be able to keep the beat, and the other person can fall down. Just like you dance, right? You dance with someone, and if you don't keep the steady beat, what happens? You both lose it, right? Let's try once more. Make sure your fingers don't do that. Okay. And it did exactly what I asked you not to. End of the lesson to record it, right?
Maybe.
You recorded this,
I need it again.
Oh, you want? Okay. Sound a little bit out of the key, right?
So easy.
Good. And here's our Edgar. Let's see how you remember it. I didn't see you prepare it well. You need to prepare both hands on the right note. So do you remember which note left hand is going to play? Which one? Yes. And what finger is this? Yes. Now prepare. Put your feet flat. Don't, Mila, don't rush. Take a breath. Welcome, Edgar, to the great stuff. Just below Prince joy to young and old. His music is magnetic. You missed Edgar. Yes. Do you remember last time we talked about not pushing the notes. We don't want to say welcome like that. We want piano to be able to sing. Can you play just random note? But imagine the piano is not made out of wood, but it's a human and it has a voice. And when you touch it, it responds with this voice. Can you try? Play any note. Sing. Oh, it's kind of it was kind of pushy. Yes. Try some more notes. Now what happens with your hand? Fingers are still firm, but you just don't push it. You play. Press slowly in
Like
the
this.
keys. You got it. Is it singing? Don't move your hands so much. What about the posture? You know, piano is very, how to say, strict. If the person who plays it is not having a good posture, piano is not going to respond with singing voice. It's going to become upset and screech or scream. Put back. You started from a different note. Let's try. Keep going. Watch how notes move. Oh, that's going to be F now. Now, in this, starting from F, we are not going to have sharps.
Oh yeah,
So,
that's gonna make it extra tricky.
It is, yes. Okay, good. And we did start with you counting this song, right? The friendship song. We talked with you about your friends and how nice to sing and play together, right? So let's now take a look at the right hand. We have how many notes in a row? Going step by step up. Same.
Not the same.
Yes. So we step up here and we count it with you. Remember, we count first note 2 counts, 2 beats, and this is the third one. Let's try. What finger are we gonna start with? Number 1. And we place it on the tip, right? And all the other fingers are gathering around it, supporting it, right? 1, 2, 3, then we'll go 1, 2, repeat, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Can you try by yourself with the same relaxed hand? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 2. Same. It's gonna be next finger. 1, 2. Knock, knock, knock. 1. Can you focus? Not just go like that. Just look there and focus. 2, 3, 1, 2. Your finger keeps caving in. Abigail note. Yes, in the second space. All by yourself. And the word riding swords and fencing. No, riding horses, fencing swords. Let's try. No, you didn't prepare, sweetie. You need to prepare your finger on the right note first. Then take a breath. Bring home. Long note. Horses. Okay. Can you point on each note and name it, please?
E, E.
No. E is a long one.
E.
E.
F sharp.
F sharp. F sharp. What line is it on? Can you tell me what line this note is on? You can't tell what line it is?
I know.
What?
G.
G. See?
G.
Your head stopped
Look,
thinking.
I looked.
Yes, and then it started thinking and you could say right away, right? Let's play them now. Now you know, you name them. E, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, 1, 2, 3. Now left hand, it uses the same pattern. It's basically the same thing, but it's in the bass clef.
I think I found somebody.
Good, very good. So who's right below? You found Frederick. Good job.
Just because I was looking at.
Wait. But who is right below Frederick? Who is this? Who is his best friend?
His best friend, I know, Edgar.
Yes. E. So E is right here, right below F. E, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, G sharp. No sharps. Yes, but that will be definitely finger number 1. We'll play all these 4 notes in a row. Oi, what happens with your hand when you play number 1? Support your weight on your thumb. Strong thumb. Yes, exactly. You're gonna start here. Wait for me. Let's go. Your hands down and wait for me. Okay, it was good try. Now try once more. But still, you're pushing too hard. I want you to use your weight and go. No, you're not listening. You need to really think of what I'm telling you. And then you can think and figure it out. So this is making really harsh sounds. So what I'd like you to think of jello keys. Remember how if you have jello, if you eat jello and you put finger in, how it feels? Feels, right? Okay, let's try. Sing the words closer to the black keys. What does it mean? Say with words.
Yes.
Yes, what?
I'm not done yet.
What?
Use your words. You're a big girl. Talk. Did you like it? Do you think it's done? Do you think you did a good job?
I think I did a great job.